Dashcam footage shows strong winds blow freight train off elevated track. WGNO reporter Jabari Thomas caught dramatic footage of a dozen cargo containers and train carriages being blown off elevated tracks in Jefferson Parish, New Orleans, during a violent storm. New Orleans Public Belt Railroad's Nancy Stoltz said that 4 Union Pacific Railroad cars en route to the Huey P Long Bridge were blown off the tracks at 10:30 a.m. due to severe weather conditions. Structural engineers were immediately sent to assess the damage and the integrity of the remaining crates. Fortunately, no injuries resulted from the accident. Hazmat specialists also confirmed that none of the crates contained any toxic materials.
Follow us down the rabbit hole. Visit the TomoNews.net website or download the app today.